Cassie and Steph from JeanstoaT, and today we're here to talk about our new favorite denim find.
So recently I was shopping at Nordstrom Rack doing a little denim try-on, and I found a pair that fit me, but I knew by the way that they fit that you would also love them and they would fit you too. So even though there's a big height difference between the two of us, we love a lot of the same styles and fits. And if something is cropped or has a cuff at the bottom, even though I'm tall and Cassie's on the petite side, it can fit both of us perfectly. Fits you a little more as a full-length jean, fits me as a crop. So this particular Brandon style was super soft denim with some patchwork and distressed details. It fit so comfortably. It was an amazing price point, coming in at under $40.
Yes.
And I immediately sent you the link after I bought them and said, you also need to buy these.
And I added them to cart. They came a couple days later, and I can tell you I loved them.
So we are happy to announce that one of our new favorite pairs of jeans are the Liverpool
Marley high-waisted cuff girlfriend jean. And we got ours from Nordstrom Rack, but they have them at plenty of other stores too.
Yeah, so looking online, Nordstrom definitely carries Liverpool, but Bloomingdale's also has them, and Dillard's if you have that, and even Amazon.
Yeah, so we recommend you buy them today. We're gonna try next. They have a pair of pull-on, so we can't wait to add that to our cart too.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, thanks so much for watching. We hope you try the Liverpool jeans, and please click like and subscribe.